Hey friends, welcome to Learn Transformation. Today in this video, we are going to learn about three things. What is supply chain 4.0, the next generation digital supply chain, what are the benefits of digital supply chain, and what are the digital waste that prevent supply chain from leveraging the potential of supply chain 4.0. As technology is impacting every aspect of our personal and professional lives, and supply chain is also affected with this. So supply chain 4.0 is the restructuring of supply chain using advanced technologies such as big data analytics, Internet of Things, which has transformed the model of supply chain management from a linear one in which instructions used to flow from supplier to producer to distributor to consumer and back to a more integrated model in which information flows in multiple directions to the supply chain. Now let's explore what McKinsey thinks about supply chain 4.0. The application of Internet of Things, advanced robotics, and the application of advanced analytics of big data has automated supply chain. It places sensors in everything, create networks everywhere, automate anything, and analyze everything to significantly improve performance and customer satisfaction. What is digital supply chain? The digitization of the supply chain enables companies to address the new requirements of customer, the challenges on the supply side, as well as the remaining expectations in the efficiency improvement. Now here are 5 benefits of digital supply chain. Digitization brings about a supply chain which will be faster, which means new approaches of product distribution reduce the delivery time of high runners to few hours, and the basis for these services is built by advanced forecasting approaches. For example, predictive analytics of internal and external data as well as a machine status data for spare part demands, and it provides a much more precise forecast of customer demand. Maybe you're wondering how predictive analytics work. So let me explain that. In the future, we will see predictive shipping, for which Amazon holds a patent. It means products are shipped before the customer places an order, and the customer order is later matched with the shipment that is already in the logistics network, and the shipment is rerouted to the exact customer destination. So this is how it works. Next benefit of digital supply chain is more flexible. Ad hoc and real-time planning allows a flexible reaction to changing demand. Planning cycles and frozen periods are minimized, and planning becomes a continuous process that is able to react dynamically to changing requirements. For example, real-time production capacity feedback from machines. Next benefit of digital supply chain is more granular, as customers' demand for individualized product is continuously increasing, which gives a strong push towards micro-segmentation, and mass customization ideas will finally be implemented. And the next benefit of digital supply chain is more accurate. The next generation of performance management system provides end-to-end transparency throughout the supply chain, and a lot of information reaches from synthesized top-level KPIs, for example, at the exact position of trucks in the network. And all this range of data provides a joint information basis for all the levels of seniority and functions in the supply chain. The integration of data of suppliers, of service providers in a supply chain cloud makes sure that all stakeholders steer and decide based on the same facts. Last but not the least benefit of digital supply chain is more efficient. Efficiency in supply chain is boosted by the automation of both physical tasks and planning. Robots handle the material completely automatically along the warehouse process, from unloading to putting away to pick, pack and ship. Autonomous trucks transport the products within the network. And to optimize truck utilization and increase transport flexibility, cross-company transport optimization is applied to share capacities between companies. So all these things make supply chain more efficient. What are the digital ways that prevent supply chain from leveraging the potential of supply chain 4.0? In today's supply chains, many sources of digital waste can be found, in addition to the existing waste which prevent the potential of supply chain 4.0. It's crucial to understand the sources of waste and develop solutions to avoid in the future. According to Kinsey, the sources of digital waste can be classified into 3 types. But before moving forward, please do like, comment and share our video, and please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos. The first source of digital waste is data capturing and management. Often available data is handled manually and not updated regularly. For example, master data on supplier lead time is entered once and then remains unchanged for years. Another example in warehousing is advanced shipping notifications which are received but they are not used to optimize the inbound process. So this is first source of digital waste. Next source of digital waste is integrated process optimization. As many companies have started to implement an integrated planning process, but mostly this is still done in silos and not all information is leveraged to attain the best planning result possible. Also, it can be observed that statistical forecast data is overwritten by planners which have a negative impact on the forecasting accuracy. Beside the intra-company optimization, the process optimization between companies has not been fully leveraged yet, and improvement potentials created by increased transparency are not realized. But if you want to obtain the next level of integrated process optimization, the organizational setup, processes and incentives need to be aligned within and between partners in the supply chain. Last source of digital waste is physical process execution of humans and machines. Nowadays, warehousing, assembly line replenishment and transport management is often done based on gut feeling, but not leveraging available data. For example, to improve pick paths in the warehouse. Warehouse operations are still managed in batches of 1 to 2 hours and not allowing the real-time allocation of new orders and dynamic routing. Also, opportunities arising from new devices such as wearables are not leveraged. So all these things adds to the digital waste. Thanks again to Kinsey, as in this video we shared you the Kinsey insight about supply chain 4.0. Thanks for watching our video right till the end. I hope you have an idea about supply chain 4.0 and digital supply chain benefits and sources of digital waste. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation to stay updated regarding a next video about digital supply chain which is in continuation with this video. And please press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos. You can also catch us on other social media handles like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. Till then, be safe and do take care of yourself.